In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an outline in Google Docs. Whether you're drafting a report, organizing a study guide, or putting together a presentation, this feature can make navigating longer documents much easier. We'll take it step by step, so let's dive right in. First, let's open up your preferred web browser and search for Google Docs. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, click the link to open it. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll need to do so now. Make sure you've got the right login details handy. With that out of the way, let's move to your document. Now, the key to creating a useful outline is to start by structuring your document with headings and subheadings. So, identify the text you want to become a heading, whether that's chapter titles, section headings, or any significant part of your document that you want prominently displayed. Go ahead and highlight the text you intend to work with. Next, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page, and you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Normal Text. Click on it. This menu is where you can choose from a variety of formatting styles. For your outline, selecting a heading style is necessary. You might go for the Title, Heading 1, or Heading 2 options. Notice how they create a hierarchical structure. Each choice gives your text a different level of importance, which will reflect in the outline view. Keep in mind that you'll want to repeat this process for all the titles and subsections that you want included in your document's outline. Consistency is key here. Make sure that similar content gets the same heading style so your outline reflects a coherent structure. Now that you've set up your headings, let's generate the outline. Look toward the top menu bar and click on View. In the drop-down menu, select Show Document Outline. What happens next is quite handy. A side panel will appear on the left side of your screen. This panel presents a list of your formatted headings in an indented structure, making it easy to navigate through different sections of your document. Here's a tip. If you want to jump directly to any section of your document, just click on a heading in this outline panel. It's a real time saver, especially in lengthy documents, allowing you to effortlessly navigate between different sections. And there you have it, a simple way to organize and navigate your document with ease. Outlines in Google Docs are not just for the writer's benefit, but can also be crucial for your readers, helping them get a quick overview of your content. Thanks for joining me today. Hopefully, you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.